Hello there YouTube, this is Fozabu here and we're right back from Gamescom. Inside Xbox unveiled new details about the upcoming games, but first let's do the giveaway. So guys, this giveaway is for Gears of War DLC, which can be only acquired when you buy the Crimson Omen controller. So the DLC contains in-game items for Gears of War 4, so please check the code over there. Speaking of Gamescom, Inside Xbox had a fantastic show starting off with Crytek's Hunt Showdown, which is coming to game preview. That was really good news. They all went on to share details about Forza Horizon 4, Ori and the Will of Wisps, State of Decay 2 getting a new expansion, Sea of Thieves getting the Forsaken Shores expansion. They also shared new details about their bundles for Battlefield 5 and Fallout 76 and Forza Horizon 4. They also shared more details about this cool game called Devil May Cry 5. There was this unveil of a new game called Sable, which has this insane art style. It has this comic looking art style. There was this interview which particularly interested me. It was an interview by Dual Shockers with Aaron Greenberg. So it was a talk about Playground's next project, which is heavily rumored to be Fable 4 or Fable Reboot. And he tells that it's a big exclusive game and we can't wait to share the details about it. He told us have patience, have a little bit of patience. So I don't know what it is. Let's just hope it is a fable. If it's not, also I can tell you that I can 100% tell you that this game is going to be insane, even if it's a new IP, because it's Playground guys. These guys know how to make games. Other than that, there was Game Pass. Halo Master Chief Collection is finally coming to Game Pass on September 1st, which is also really cool. There was no new details about Halo Infinite or the Gears of War 5 or Baldos. Surprisingly, Crackdown 3 skipped again. It's going to be coming next year, or I think March or something, and at least it is one of the games which has a release date. I think they should have at least showed something about it. Sadly, it missed again. I think Xbox might have another show. I think kind of a PlayStation Experience show. I wish they do have it, at least at the end of the year or start of the next year. Thank you guys for watching and listening. For more giveaways and everything, please do subscribe to the channel. Hope you liked it. Happy gaming.